So here we are in the driver's seat, my office. This is my great view that I get to do, so I'll do a little explanation of what everything is. So by starters, this is a remote ignition interrupter, RII. So all the tech officials, they will have a handheld radio that can shut the ignition off to our trucks at any given time for any given reason, to keep us safe and also everybody in the event safe as well. This is our switch panel. This is our power, and that's our fuel. This is the radio selector box for the RRI, so this you can change channels. You have right, center, and left. And then when we're doing non-Monster Jam shows, this is our traditional RI radio that we use. This is the awesome race keeper that we have here. It's been awesome. We've tried it out the end of last year, and it was great stuff for us, so we're looking forward to bringing you guys more great stuff this year. This is my push to talk button, so if I got to communicate to Mike or anybody on the crew, I can talk to them. Switch for my lights. Shifter. This is our rear steer handle. So the rear steer is electric over hydraulic, so it's controlled by a toggle switch. So you just hit it whatever way you need to go. And then this is our self-center switch. So if you want the rear tires to return automatically on their own, then you leave it on. If you want it to keep it off, like if you're doing some hard turning on concrete or a long donut or something, you need to turn it off so you don't burn the pump up. This is the awesome Superior steering wheel that we'll be rolling with this year, followed by the race pack with live data, so I can see all the important numbers and stuff that we need to see while we're operating, along with a backup camera. So if you come sliding in hot, you need to know what's behind you. You can see there, and then if you need to get in a tight spot and can't really look behind you,